What's up, guys? We're at Encino Balboa today. Sam is going to give me a chipping lesson today. I feel like I'm a decent player. I'm a 10 handicap, but I think I can shave 2 to 4 strokes if I learn how to chip better. Because then I want to chip and 1 putt versus chip and 2 putt.
Right. Now, Sam's a really good chipper. It's just I think he wants to add a shot to his arsenal, which is knowing how that ball is going to come out soft when he's hitting these little short chips, which is huge. Because when you play fast greens and you don't know, you get scared, right?
You saw me before. I tend to like go a little too high, and I think my attack angle is too wrong. So I have to play it like way short of the flag and then let it roll.
Let it roll.
Versus I want to do more of a lower shot with more spin on it.
Right.
Yeah.
You want more control.
Right.
Well, also I wanted to give something to Sam, all right? I wanted to give him a gift by Vortex, is a company I work with.
Oh, nice.
Military scopes. They have a contract with the U.S. military.
Sweet.
This is a $600 rangefinder.
$600, damn.
Please enjoy it, Sam.
Shit, thank you so much,
yes, sir.
baby.
That's what we're doing. Exactly.
Let's go, baby. All right, so what I'm looking for, Sam, is looking to hit a lower chip shot, like let's say this distance, a little further, and even like the 30, 40 yards where my ball tends to go high.
Yeah.
And so it lands soft and then rolls, but I want to know how I can keep my short chip shots lower and spin back and stop.
Okay. Well, first, because I kind of know your emotion.
Yeah.
So first thing is first, ball position is key.
Yeah.
Right, for like a shot like this. I like to have it neutral, which is in the middle of the stance, right? So we're going to get a decent lie because there's a lot of spotty grass. So let's get a decent lie.
Okay.
And we're going to have the ball position in the middle.
Okay.
And the weight needs to be on the lead foot. Which is the left foot, okay?
Okay.
Predominantly like 70%.
Okay.
And then you have the face a bit open. You got to have the face a bit open like this, right? And the angle of attack needs to be almost on top. A lot of people, they'll take it in and then you have to flip it. That's going to be top spin.
Yeah.
And then you don't want to be too cutty. You almost want to be ground zero, right? So I like to think of having like a wide V.
Okay.
And I'm kind of going up that wide V ramp back and through. The motion kind of looks like this.
Oh, that's perfect. Look at that.
So that's just a little check.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
Right, and it's really about control. It's like this chip, you could get away with rolling it. That's not the point, though.
Yeah.
The point is
I can do that already.
you can already do that.
Yeah, but I need another like weapon in my bag,
Right.
in my arsenal.
We need Sam to keep the weight a little bit more on the lead foot throughout the whole swing, and then also his backswing could be a little bit shorter, which will help the flight come down. So let's see it, Sam.
What's my grip pressure?
Your grip pressure is probably like 5 out of 10.
Okay, 5
no
out of
more
10.
than that.
And my swing speed, it's like attack
Yeah.
from the top of the ball.
Right.
So keep it short, boom. Okay, 70% open.
Look how good that was. You see how soft that landed?
Yeah.
So now, what do? We open the face more. With the same swing.
Same swing.
Same
open.
swing. And just because it's open, don't feel like you got to like cut it or anything. I want you to do the same swing.
Okay.
Yep.
70%.
70%. It's okay.
Okay, that was a little
A
skull.
little scully. So this time, I want you to feel like you're doing everything the same.
Yeah.
But then the club head feels like a hammer. So you're going a bit slower and you're letting it ride up the face, the ball. There you go. There you go. Oh, okay. What did we just have right there?
A little better.
Little better. Just, I don't think I can ever make Sam happy. That was beautiful.
Well, it didn't check as much.
That was amazing.
I saw yours check a lot. Mine didn't spin that much.
Use my. Maybe it's the.
Maybe it's the
maybe
club.
it's the
I don't
wedge.
know. Okay,
maybe
what is
it's
this?
the company that you're
Callaway?
using.
Okay, Callaway. Okay.
The new Opus. Ooh.
That
had more check.
Yeah, it did.
So you can open the face, and the key is when I'm coming here and I'm bottoming out, this is the key from here. You have to just continue this way, but most people, they'll either hold on or they'll go this way.
Yeah.
There's no spin then. It's top spin. So we're trying to keep this angle all the way through. You watch all the guys that chip well, that spin it.
Yeah.
Their finish is always like this.
It stays right there. Okay.
It's never flipping unless they want the ball to roll. So I'll give you one last tip that could actually really help you.
Okay.
But you're already doing it. Gripping that low will help you even more.
So open up space more.
Weight left. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
It's okay.
That was a bad line.
It's okay. Middle.
Oh.
Yep.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, I felt that spin
Yeah.
a little better.
Right. And then one last thing. I know there's a lot going on, but I want your club to feel like it's going here and then like that. Almost like the club is out racing your hand, but it's not inside of your hand. It's just
So it's
outside. Exactly. So let's get that soft touch with that. Okay. That was it. Sam, I don't know what you want more, Sam. That was it.
I just got to practice that.
That was it. This chip is You see?
Yeah.
That's it. Uh-oh. Someone's going to Pelican ready.
Let's see here.
Uh-oh. Somebody knows how to chip.
Get in the hole, baby. Oh.
And you know what's protecting you from sculling it is the weight left. If you're like throwing your hands and your weight's right, well, what's going to happen? The bounce is going to hit the ball and you're going to skull it. So the bounce is protecting you. The weight left is protecting you. Release. So you remember what you got to do, right?
Yep. Ball in the middle, 70% weight, choke down, and
letting the handle go.
Letting the handle go and hammering it,
Yep.
and then kind of flicking
Exactly.
as you're following through.
Oh, my
almost
goodness.
went in the hole.
We would have just left.
I would have
Peace.
just left. That was pretty good.
I would open up with just a little bit more.
Okay.
Just a little bit more.
Okay.
There you go. Perfect.
Okay.
That was just too far of a
Yeah,
swing.
yeah.
That was perfect
Yeah, yeah.
though.
I'm getting used to that because I feel like I'm not swinging far, but I'm sure I am.
It feels
On the
quick, huh,
backswing.
when you're like
Yeah,
too short.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah, that was it.
All right. Last one.
Last one.
Give me a good one.
And then once you clean your club before you play tomorrow, it'll be good.
okay.
Trust me, it'll be better.
I mean, I'll be mindful of all the different things.
Tomorrow's greens are going to be a lot better too.
So swing, follow.
This one's going to be good. I know it. I feel it.
Oh,
okay,
shoot,
I got one
that
more right
was
here.
bad. Okay.
Yes. Look how soft that comes out.
Yeah. That's good. Cool, man.
Sam,
Thank you.
another
Appreciate
good
it.
episode. I appreciate
Yeah,
you, man.
Thank you.